Alright, what is up guys? I am on my way down to Lee's right now, down to Monsta Performance, because I took the Z down there just after we got back from Summit Point so he could look it all over, check everything out, and he was doing some pulls and the fuel pressure was dropping. So I went down there last night, diagnosed everything, and it turns out the alternator is dying. So I'm getting a new one right now and on my way down there to put it on, do some pulls on the dyno, get ready, because on Friday we're going to the firm and we're going to go do some third gear ribs, see how the car feels, new gear ratio in it. I put a 3.7 diff, so we're going to see how all the changes are and what the car's like, and get to drive with all of our boys. All the Monster crews going out there. It's Steve's birthday, so it's going to be a good time. Alright, we made it down here. Car's on the dyno. And I had to pull my alternator off, and when I did that, my bracket was broken. So I think that up top, when it was getting high RPM, the belt was slipping, which was causing it to not charge, which would cause voltage drop, relating fuel pressure drop. So I fixed it up. We're gonna make a couple ribs and see if that fixed it. Hopefully it did. If not, I have another alternator over here somewhere. Where that? Right there, that I can put on. I fixed the alternator. Changed alternators, new one in, fuel pressure now stays up to 63, 64, wide open. So we're just gonna play with it a little bit more, dial her in, see what we can do, get her good, ready for the firm. Of course, I got my boy Lee Bird in there. Okay, I've left Lee's. We got the car tuned. We were trying to make a bit more. Lee was trying to turn the power up, but the fuel pressure was still dropping. And that is, it was only dropping like 3 psi, I want to say, from 65, say 5 psi. Anywhere from 60 psi to 65 is where it was sitting, and it was fluctuating in that range when we were trying to make 500. So the solution to that is going to be me putting a second pump in the tank. So I'll run 2 pumps instead of just the one, and I'll run dash 8 AN line to allow more fuel. The little 4-cylinder, I guess, is just requesting more fuel than we thought it would. But right now I'm getting some E85 because we're going to the firm this weekend. The car's all loaded up, good to go. I got the drifthq truck here. We're getting ready, so I just figured on my way home I'd stop, grab some E85 because this is the closest spot and then I don't have to worry about it come the weekend. So I'm just on my last can here to get filled up, and then we will be good to go. Alright, we are all loaded, ready for the firm. It is Thanksgiving. We got the day off today, you know, everybody got the day off. It's Thanksgiving. The day's meant for eating food, having a good time. So I got tires all loaded up. They were still mounted from Summit, so that's nice. Didn't have to mount any tires. Fresh set on the car. We got E85 from when we came back from the dyno. And then the car, it's checked over, it's ready to go. So we're ready to have a good time. I'm just going through the shop, grabbing my tools, going around to storage, finding all my spare parts, anything that I think I may need for spares. It is only my second event, so I don't really have all that figured out yet. Haven't really bought a bunch of spares yet. So we'll just go, have a good time, see how it goes, see if we can go through the 3 sets of tires, and have a blast with the boys. I got the GoPro all charged up, all 3 batteries ready to go, so we'll have lots of footage of that. I got the trailer all loaded, and now I'm getting the RV all ready. So I got jack in here, jack stands, some cleaning stuff, spare diff, all my tools, and now I'm just gonna go around and see if I need anything else, then get hooked up to the trailer and be ready. I'm gonna be going to Duarte's for Thanksgiving, and then from there I'm gonna go up to Sean's And then tomorrow morning, make the drive a bit shorter because we got to be there at 8 a.m. Then we'll only have an hour and a half drive in the morning to the track. I'm officially loaded up on my way up towards the firm. I'm going up to Sean's Lake House, go enjoy some Thanksgiving over there with him and his family, and just enjoy the day. The rest of it is already 4 o'clock, but I went over to Duarte's, had Thanksgiving there for lunch. It was really good. Then got back to the compound, loaded up. Now I'm on the way. RV driving amazing. You know, don't even have to put fuel in it from the last time I used it because it's just half a tank, and half a tank in this thing is like 80 gallons. So yeah, more than enough for me to do 6 hours of driving. So this is the big old moving brick. What you see, you can sort of see the little 1990s TV down there showing me what's behind me, so I can see the car at all times. This is the view. The Speedo decided that it wants to play games this trip. Something loose down there. But this thing's smooth as butter, ready to go. Okay, it is now Friday. I didn't film anything last night. Got to Sean's. We just hung out, chilled, didn't do too much. Now, 7:30, we're on our way to the firm. And it is raining out. But we're gonna make the most of it. It's just the morning now, so we'll see how the rest of the day goes. But if it's raining all morning, that's fine. This means we get to learn the track, wet track, don't use any tire. Then when we're comfortable, hopefully it dries up. We're at the firm. Following booth, figuring out where we're parked. Gotta go. We already got passed by a lot of the boys, but we were at Duncan. We found our dog Kev. He behind us. You can probably see him back in there. But we ready. A bunch of more boys behind us rolled up. We got 2 other cars. It looks like it's gonna be a good day. Hopefully the sun comes out. That'd be nice. Okay, we made it. We are at the firm, and we unloaded, all teched, ready to go. Rigs unloaded. We got booth. We got all the Monsta guys. Some people already out on track, so got the car running and go out there, get some laps. Got the GoPro set up, so we be good. We're ready to go. We got Kev out here. He got his car all straightened up after Summit Point. We ready. It's 3 o'clock now. We're almost done. I got a set of tires left on my car. Booth, who know what he got left? Kyle might have tires. Who know about Kyle? Kyle be delambing, but we only broke a couple things. I blew a coupler.
Pop the hood. Check that shit again.
It's fine. I don't know. My downpipe broke. I had to fix that, and my one coupler blew. We fixed that, and now it's good. It's been working. I went through 2 sets of tires so far. On the 3rd, and that's all for today. We just taking it easy, get used to the car. Alright, we're all done here at the firm. We're loaded up. A great day. Great drive. And you guys will see the GoPro clip. We got Jabe out here. You know. We got Kev.
2017 batteries and a fucking $500,000 RV. Yeah, let's turn it off.
Stop. We got the boys. Everyone, good to go. There you go home. Good day driving.
Hey, subscribe to Drift Bones right now. Y'all fuck with the page. Check out the website. We're selling parts. We're going to events. You don't know what event to pull up? Oh, me, Sean, everyone, we were pulling up at Summit Point. We didn't even see y'all. Go on driftbubs.com so y'all can actually peep this shit. I'm telling y'all, bro. Stop sleeping on Drift Bubs. You see it on the RV. You see it on the car. You see it on the trailer. SeaWorld, Orca, they're in danger. We're out here. Donnie W.
Oh shit, the flash turned on. Who told me we're gonna have full brakes? So we're gonna. Oh damn, this thing's steep. Dropping a gear. Oh damn, we done the 4th. Let's go, girl. You got this. You got this. She holding speed. Gaining speed uphill. Oh, Cummins putting in work. Wish it was daytime so we could see something, but you know, daylight savings, getting nice and dark real early. We officially made it back to the compound. We made it back last night, but we stopped at our buddy Eric's shop for a little bit and then didn't get back till like midnight, so I didn't film too much. I'm just gonna unload everything, get it all put back where it needs to be put so I ain't blocking everybody's way. And that'll be it for this video of us going to the firm, having a good time, all this drifting, getting used to this car, getting it set up, and getting it ready for a good season ahead. I'm still gonna try to drive as much as I can the rest of the season. It's Florida, there ain't really an off season, so I'm sure we got some stuff going on in December that I can do, and then we got the holidays for a bit, and then back at it in January. The firm is gonna be having some 235 tire comps there, so might go out, run a couple of those and see how it goes. So that is it. Thanks for watching this video. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. You know, we're gonna try and keep some videos coming for you guys. Let me know what you guys want to see. I can do some of just the normal shit I do in my life around this place, you know, fixing random ass stuff all the time, and let you guys see what we work on and how our day goes.